Many of you really care about geology, but I love it thanks to my geology class that I took in the fall semester. And I'm going to show you something really, really cool that is currently happening here. My favorite kind of stream is called a meandering stream. It's when a river goes from being kind of river like wavy to being a big loopy snake. Now how it does that is you'll start out with a kind of wavy stream, and then since the water on the outside edge of the curve, as you can see here, has to move faster than the water on the inside of the curve here, it will be moving faster. It'll have more force behind it and more energy. Now, what that water does as it moves is it picks up sediment, tiny rock fragments. Depending on the size or strength of the river, it'll impact how big the fragments are. But it'll pick it up and erode away the outside edge, and then when it gets to the inside edge, it'll drop it all off. And we can actively see that happening here. Because if you look there, right there, on the inside of on the outside of the curve rather, there are no pebbles. It's just sand. But if you move here, on the on this side of the curve, because technically I am standing in what is generally a riverbed most of the time, or what could be a riverbed depending on how much water there is. But if you look here, all of the sediment has been deposited right here. So we can see it actively occurring in front of our eyes. And I don't know about you, but I think that's just the coolest thing in the world. Yeah.